You can see these are 2 regular sized eggs right here. This is from our well summer, and this is from one of our Wyandottes, and this is from our blue egg layer. And this is an abnormally sized egg. This is huge. I mean, look at these. Let me pull these out so you can see. The right egg is a normal large sized egg, and the left egg is a super sized egg. So this is the first time I've ever seen any of our hens lay an egg this big, so that's pretty exciting. And I will grab those in just a minute. But all right, here's the giant egg. Double yolk!
Damn.
Wow.
Wow.
Wow. So